In this view, you can edit your voice menu, also known as an IVR, Interactive Voice Response System. The menu's name is what you initially assigned when you created it. The default language is used for system-generated recordings until you replace them with your own. This language is typically based on the country associated with your Sonetel account. To configure the main menu, start by deciding whether or not to play a welcome message like, "Hello, welcome to our company." Then you'll see three numbered options, 1, 2, and 3, that determine the action taken when a caller selects that number on their dial pad. These actions can include playing a message, connecting the caller to a specific user or team member, forwarding the call to another phone number, connecting the caller to another voice app, such as another menu, voicemail, or an announcement, connecting to a SIP address, which is an advanced function for connecting the call across the internet to a server or device that you have that supports the SIP standard, or disconnecting the call. If you need more options, click Show More to reveal additional dial pad options and configure those actions as well. You can also specify what happens if the caller doesn't make a selection after hearing the menu options twice. The options are the same: play a message, connect to a user, forward the call to a phone number, connect the caller to another voice app or to a SIP device anywhere on the internet, or simply disconnect the call. To replace the default system recordings, click on Menu Messages at the top. This will show you a list of all predefined messages for your voice app menu. You can listen to these by clicking the Play button and replace them by selecting the menu option on the right. When updating an audio message, you have three choices: uploading an audio file, using text-to-speech, or manually recording with your mobile phone. For text-to-speech, simply enter the desired text. Choose a language and voice, listen to the preview, and save it once you're satisfied. To connect your voice menu to a specific phone number, go to the Phone Numbers section in the app and set up call forwarding to link the number to your voice app.